Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on the Redmi, enable mobile data and open portable hotspot settings, set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password so devices can join securely. Once done, pick the band, use 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed if Oppo supports it. Make sure the hotspot is visible and timeout is long enough. Note the SSID and password exactly. You're now ready to move to the Oppo and begin the Wi-Fi connection process. You go to the Oppo's Wi-Fi settings and scan for the Redmi SSID. When you see it, tap to join and enter the password exactly, case matters. After connecting, inspect the network details to confirm you received an IP via DHCP. If you don't, toggle Wi-Fi off and on again. Make sure mobile data on the Redmi is still active. If the Oppo shows no internet, try switching the hotspot band or temporarily disable any VPN on the Oppo. Then you finish by confirming internet on the Oppo, load a web page or run a quick speed test to be sure. Once connected, secure the hotspot with a strong password and limit allowed devices. Also set a reasonable timeout to save battery. If everything works, you're done. If connection fails, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Forget the Redmi network on the Oppo, restart Wi-Fi, and change the Redmi hotspot to 4 GHz before reconnecting. That resolves most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.